Now see how we calculate Kc. And we need to calculate Kc. We'll first look at the question. A mixture contains 30.92 grams of hydrogen, 2.794 grams of iodine and 1308.16 grams of HI at equilibrium. Calculate Kc for thermal decomposition of HI. That means my equation has to be thermal decomposition of HI. So HI on decomposition gives me this, and write a balanced equation. You know Kc is equal to product upon reactant. Reactant is 2HI, so this goes into the square. Now all these values in the question are given in grams. We will first convert them into number of moles. Number of moles means weight upon molecular weight. So weight is this, molecular weight for hydrogen is 2. Molecular weight of iodine is 254 because I is 127. So 127 into 2 is 254. And HI is 1 plus 127, which is 128. So dividing all of them, I get these answers. Now I will substitute these answers here. So 15.46 multiplied by 0.011 upon 10.22 square of that. Answer is 1.628 into 10 to the power minus 3. There are no units to this because number of moles of the reactant and the product are the same. So you will find out Kc with these values. Now the question says 1 mole of PCl5 was heated in a 3 liter flask and 40% was dissociated. Calculate Kc. The first step is, I'll say initial number of moles given to you in the question is 1 mole of PCl5. Since the product is not made yet, so you'll write here 0 and 0. So initially only the reactant was there was no product. Now when the equilibrium reached, that means some of the reactant changed into product and some of the product changed back into the reactant. So what was that? So degree of dissociation, this is dissociated, means 40% of the initial amount changed into the product. So I'll say X is degree of dissociation, and degree of dissociation means 40% of the initial number of moles and 40% of 1, which is initial, is 0.4. Now you'll say at equilibrium, X amount of this was formed. This is 0, so I've written 0 plus X. This was 0 initially, now some X amount of chlorine is formed. And also from the reactant, some X was subtracted because it changed into the product. So this X will depend upon what the stoichiometric ratio is written here. So if there is only 1 written here, so you will subtract 1. There is 1 written here, so add 1, add 1. So at equilibrium, be very careful. You will subtract from the initial amount 1 minus X. This was 0 plus X, 0 plus X. And it is kept in a 3 liter flask. And concentration is always moles per liter. So you have said 1 minus X is the number of moles divided by 3 liters flask. Same here, divided by 3 liters. So moles per liter, moles per liter. Now after you get this, you will say Kc value is equal to this multiplied by this upon this. So I'll say Kc is PCl3 concentration multiplied by Cl2 concentration upon PCl5. So now the concentration of PCl3 is X upon 3. So X upon 3 multiplied by X upon 3 upon 1 minus X upon 3, which is this. So substituting these values, I get to know what Kc is. Now X value I already know is 0.4. So wherever X is written, substitute 0.4 at that place. And finally you will get the answer 0.088. So our idea is, first we'll find out initial number of moles. Then what are the number of moles at equilibrium. Now the question says initial concentration of A and B was 0.8 moles per liter. If at equilibrium 0.6 moles per liter of C was formed, calculate Kc. The equation is given A plus B gives C plus D. So initial concentration is 0.8, 0.8. No product is formed, so I'll write here 0 and 0. At equilibrium, I am subtracting x from here, and 0 plus x will be formed means x, 0 plus x will be formed, so that is also x. Now it says 0.6 moles of C was formed. So it's already telling you that 0.6 moles of C was formed. That means x value is 0.6. So I'm substituting the x value, I know all of them. So 0.6 here, 0.6 here, 0.8 minus 0.6, 0.8 minus 0.6. So just substituting all those values, you know, Kc will be product of the product divided by reactants. So substituting this value, Kc value is coming as 9. Now supposing it only asks you to write an expression for dissociation constant Kc, we are finding out Kc. If degree of dissociation is alpha, degree of dissociation can be written as x, it can be written as alpha. So I am writing the equation. This equation is given in the question. So initial number of moles, let us say this is 8. This is 0 initially, no product is formed. Now when I say at equilibrium, I'll subtract alpha because there is no number here, so 1 alpha here. 2 NO2, so I'll have to write down here 2 alpha. So look at the stoichiometric ratios, subtract on this side, add on this side. 0 plus 2 alpha is 2 alpha. Then when I say molar concentration is always moles per liter, so I'll say A minus x upon V, 2x upon V. Then Kc is equal to NO2 square, product upon reactant, so NO2 square upon N2O4. Substituting these values here algebraically, I will get this answer in the end, 4 alpha square upon A minus alpha into B. That is degree of dissociation, whatever is given in the question, that comes here, and A is the initial concentration which is given in the question.